Hammer Haag is a dynamic company capable of not only delivering your next project to the highest quality standards, but providing an unmatched level of service in the industry. The Hammer Haag team principal viewpoint is that we are interested in long-term partnerships with our clients from the top down, and we have this in mind with every action we take in servicing our customers or approaching any project. The Hammer Haag team is not unlike many other companies in that it is a large family made up of members cooperating with one another toward our efforts and goals. Which is why safety and quality are amongst the highest points of focus at Hammer Haag, to ensure the products are of the highest quality possible and the well-being of our team is ensured. Hammer Haag is what you need in terms of fabrication, installation, machining and assembly of your project. The Hammer Haag facilities comprise of over 290,000 square feet, with the equipment and technology capable of handling your project of any size and scope. There's little limitation to our machining, fabrication and logistics capabilities in terms of heavy work, but meanwhile we are able to set up the volume production with high repeatability of any size project, large or small. Storage and space are of little limitation to Hammer Haag as well. Many projects require customer-supplied items to be stored at our facility until they can be assembled, or oftentimes the sites or locations our fabrications are going to are not yet ready to receive our fabricated products. We can then hold them safely until such time as the site is prepared. Project management is overseen directly by our ownership and COO. We are implementing several advanced processes to make this more efficient and cost-effective while providing better tracking. Strumis is one of these processes that is giving us more control of your project as it moves through the production line. Hammer Haag has created many in-house training videos that keeps users up to date and proficient at using the system. The system allows our team members to scan your project in and out as it moves through the process, so we know where and when your project is at any moment in time. All of Hammer Haag's projects go through our engineering department for the purpose of control and organized execution of our production. Here we have document control, nesting and programming of our machines, detailing and traceability, etc. With very few limitations on software, Hammer Haag can easily and effectively implement and use your design and detailed drawings. 3D modeling and the use of major tools is quite common at Hammer Haag. After contract award, initial kickoff meetings and data transmitting to the shop floor, the real hard work begins on any project in the Hammer Haag prefab. Prefab at Hammer Haag is an area that includes all of our processing of raw materials prior to fitting and welding, keeping those actions quite separate deliberately for maximum effectiveness and quality. With the latest from Pegging House in the way of structural shape processing, Hammer Haag utilizes the ring of fire for all channels, beams, angles and tubes, etc. for copes, slots, holes, miters and notches, all laid out and cut full length CNC from as little as 2x2 up to 20x20. This is a 360-degree thermal processing approved by the AISC with 60 feet of infeed and 40 feet of outfeed. This equipment allows Hammer Haag to process its structural shapes in such volume and with such accuracy, preventing lost time and saving labor. Hammer Haag also has two Mesa oxy-fuel plasma tables, cutting sheets typically 10 feet by 40 feet up to 12 inches thick on carbon and 2 inches thick on stainless. One of these two tables allows us to bevel all of your plates right on the table while cutting XV up to 60 degrees. Hammer Haag has an expertise derived from experience in our primary markets for producing heavy fabrications with large machining and mechanical interface to tight tolerances. These items are often extremely complex and much larger than most fabricators can handle. Machining the end rings of a 90-foot rotary shell after fabrication. Material was 800 HT. Machining of rotating structure of a ship loader after fabrication. Machining of trolley component for bulk material handling equipment. Machining of a large machine component for bulk material handling equipment. Most of the structures Hammer Haag has experience with are heavy and complex in design. Structure for a ship loader. Structures for a roller coaster and for a ship loader. Structure for another roller coaster. Heavy plate fabrication is a staple of Hammer Haag main markets. Most of the projects Hammer Haag completes are assembled or modular. Large components are easily handled in our facilities and ensure the best quality and finished products. No matter the dimension or angle, Hammer Haag can fabricate to your specs. Hammer Haag has completed large-scale projects. With such accuracy, we developed a reputation for such accomplishments, and we have become the go-to solution for them on their next projects. This girder was 127 feet long, and we held all the dimensions to 1/16 of an inch. Test fit of structures is common at Hammer Haag to assist field on installation in terms of preventing lost time and ensure accuracy of fabrication. Oversize, overweight, not a problem at Hammer Haag. This fabrication was 14 feet by 80 feet. Since inception, Hammer Haag has been working to improve all of our processes, equipment and resources to be one single source for our customers in terms of requirements for detailing, to fabrication, to then machining, assembly and paint, all in-house. These machines that were 8 feet by 20 feet were held in 1 millimeter tolerance on fabrication. On this project, Hammer Haag produced nearly 300 machines, taking them from engineering through to paint, assembly and logistics. Oftentimes, Hammer Haag clients will require testing and commissioning of their equipment prior to shipment. This is yet another service we provide with the space and capability to do so. 85% of loads leaving Hammer Haag are oversized in height, weight, width, or all of the above. Hammer Haag can assist you with your logistics no matter how difficult. Hammer Haag has had often to move projects internationally and by waterways as well. Hammer Haag relies on the experience of our key personnel for all field installations and their execution. Hammer Haag has had many large-scale projects successfully installed throughout the US and other parts of the world.